In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Canva. First, open Canva and either start by clicking on Add New Design or simply open a project you're already working on. This gives you the flexibility to add icons to a brand new design or improve something you've already created. Icons are a great way to make your design look more polished, organized, and visually engaging, whether you're working on a presentation, social media post, flyer, or any other type of content. Once your design is open, look over to the left-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores a huge library of visual assets, including shapes, graphics, stickers, lines, and of course, icons. If you've never used this panel before, think of it as the main place to find decorative and functional design pieces that help bring your layout together. After opening Elements, go to the search bar and type in Icons. Canva will then show you a range of icon options in different styles. Some may look simple and minimal, while others are more decorative or playful. This is helpful because you can choose a style that matches the overall tone of your design. If your project is clean and professional, you might want a more basic icon style. If it's creative or casual, you may prefer something more expressive. When you find an icon you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. Canva will place it directly into your design, and from there you can start customizing how it looks within your layout. This is where your design choices start to matter, because even a small icon can make a big difference when it's placed thoughtfully. Next, adjust the size and position of the icon. You can drag the corners to make it larger or smaller, and then move it anywhere on the page to fit your design. Try to place it somewhere that supports the content instead of distracting from it. A good tip is to keep spacing in mind so the icon feels balanced with the text and other elements around it. And that's it. Once you've resized and positioned your icon, your design instantly gets a more professional and visually appealing touch. Canva makes this process very quick, so don't be afraid to try a few different icons until you find the one that works best. With just a few clicks, you can make your project look cleaner, more engaging, and much more complete.